Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're going to be talking about Ripple and XRP. Listen, there's a lot of things to talk about, but first and foremost, I'm going to be talking about the smart money. Listen, I don't need to tell you guys where XRP is going. We already know it's going to be a double-digit number by the end of this bull run. I still believe that. I have zero doubt on that. I know a lot of people are saying 10, to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 50. The numbers are astronomical. Then there's a few people saying like $7 to $10 in that range is a fairly good point, which of course is totally fine. De-risk your investment fully. Don't, wait until the entire sky is hit or anything like that. But overall, we know where XRP is going. And the smart money obviously knows where XRP is going. In fact, check out this, right? We see the top 0.01% of holdings actually accumulating XRP, while most of these smaller figure numbers are actually dumping XRP. What does this tell you? Well, it tells me that smart money knows exactly what is about to happen. And when we're talking about this, right? First off, check out what is happening with XRP right now. It is following the 2017-2018 pattern to the T. Okay? Smart money obviously sees this. Smart money obviously knows what happens in December, and they are going to capitalize on this. I have always discussed when you're looking at if it is a good time to buy or not, follow the smart money. Now, of course, this doesn't happen all the time. In fact, if you follow the smart money every single time, there's some times where the smart money will essentially buy and then dump on you. But in this case, I do think a lot of accumulation is actually happening behind the scenes right now for XRP, and that is because they know what is going to happen, which is that massive parabolic run that we're about to experience within the next month. So definitely keep a close eye out on XRP right now. There is a ton of moves to be made. Now, before we fully jump into this video, I just want to ask if you guys are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing and turning notifications on, as it does help the channel grow. Also, hit that like button for anybody who is watching this and does enjoy the daily crypto content. Also, for anybody who is wondering if you guys want to get my, personal insights on my portfolio, my exit strategies, all that kind of stuff, you guys can get that on the Ultimate Crusader Trading Bundle Pack. That includes all the products on this website as well as all future products for free. It's on NCashOfficial.com. There's a ton of products on here as well, ranging from $5 to $10 to, $15 plus. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested in that. Of course, you guys are not obligated to purchase anything. Just letting you guys know for anybody who is interested. Now, we are seeing a ton of news happening behind the closed doors with Bitcoin. I don't need to tell you guys that. We have been seeing a lot of news happening around Bitcoin, a lot of bullish news, in fact. We see here the race is on to become the first city mayor in America to get paid in Bitcoin between New York's Eric Adams and Miami's Francis Soares, or Soares, I don't know. I'm honestly butchering names. It's my job. So when we're talking about this, listen, these mayors want to obviously get paid in Bitcoin, which is the funny agenda that we're seeing kind of switch up now. We're seeing a lot of Bitcoin adoption happening. We're seeing, sports athletes being paid in Bitcoin. We're seeing mayors being paid in Bitcoin. At some point in time, pretty much a lot of individuals will want to be paid in crypto because they see that crypto is deflationary. They see that what's happening with the US dollar right now is just not sustainable. We're seeing shipping containers off on the seas, right? Getting charged $100 a day in fees. This is absolutely crazy to think about, because when we're talking about what's happening with the US dollar, obviously it's not deflationary, it is inflationary, and it's not transitory, as Powell was saying. There's a lot of things happening right now in the economy, especially in regards to a lot of electronics and stuff like that trapped out on shipping containers, and not enough workers to actually kind of get the job done. Because, of course, listen, nobody wants to be working 24/7 without any pay raises. So there's a lot of problems happening with the supply chain in, the US as well as around the world right now. So a lot of problems are rising. So who would not want to be paid in crypto, which is, of course, deflationary? This is going to continue. Now, we also see here just in India's largest mobile payments platform considering Bitcoin offerings. In fact, there's a ton of Bitcoin news happening right now. And these are pioneers that are accepting Bitcoin, by the way. This is TM, right? So huge news. By the way, 1.2 million followers, I mind you. And there's even more, okay? Listen, all of this major Bitcoin news is apparently making people go crazy, because this article came out today, and I just don't know what to tell you guys. Bitcoin will peak at $253,000. Ethereum at 22 $100,000 this cycle if 2006 halving bull run repeats. Now, listen, that's if. A huge if statement there. I'm just saying, if this actually happens, okay, and I'm just saying, it is possible. I'm not saying that this is going to happen because, trust me, my targets are much lower. But if this happens, just imagine where XRP will be in terms of a price target. Okay, we could scratch the $10 range off the board. We could scratch the $15 range off the board. We're looking at like a $30 plus XRP if these targets are actually realistic. First off, we're looking at a 10x just on Bitcoin alone plus. This is like, well beyond a 10x. Okay, so just imagine XRP's $3.84 being 10x to $38.40. That would be absolutely ridiculous, to say the least. But these targets, in my opinion, aren't more so likely to actually happen. I think that these are fairly unlikely to happen, in my opinion. So definitely keep a close eye out on what's about to happen in the next month. Of course, do not go down the black hole of hopium and pretty much wait for these targets to be targeted either. Now we also see here from bear market bottom, XRP pumped 1,850% from 10 cents to $1.96. From current low of 51 cents, another 1850 pump puts XRP at $10. Again, $7 to $13 region. That puts market cap at $500 billion. Ethereum is at $500 or $500 billion right now, and Bitcoin over $1 trillion. XRP is the only coin that has ever flipped both of them. Now, of course, listen, I'm taking my profit. I'm taking a small figure out at $10. I will continue to average out as we do go higher. But listen, just saying, XRP does have the potential to flip both of these assets. Don't take my word for it. Take the past patterns word for it. Now, let's see here. XRP, you are not ready for a $500+ billion market cap for XRP. Brace yourselves. Now, me personally, I'm ready for it. I'm more ready for it than anybody probably in this game because I have done so much research on XRP in the past couple weeks to months to even years to understand what XRP is building. They are a global, massive payment bridge that almost every financial institution around the world and government could utilize on a day-to-day basis to not only efficiently scale their payment networks, but also to help move and streamline finance to astronomical new heights. So XRP is extremely bullish. I would not accept anything less than a $500+ billion market cap this bull run, to be completely honest with you. Now, a lot of people say I'm fully prepared for, up to $10,000 XRP. I know realistically at most $150 this run at most, but $15 to $30 is likely. I don't know if $100 XRP is in store for us this year around. Like I said, I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting more so the $10 to $15 range. All-time highs, here we come. XRP, though, I can't get over how bullish XRP looks right now. Even with the lawsuit looming, I believe $10 is a safe bet. In the short term, the target or the type of move we are seeing looks to be that will produce a large breakout into price discovery. And yes, this is the base point. Honestly, when we're looking at things realistically, we will be in a massive parabolic move very, very soon. In fact, when we're talking about $3.50, first off, we talk about $3.84 being on some exchanges. Just imagine how high we are actually going to go on XRP. I'm very excited for the price discovery phase here because even going back on most assets, first off, XRP is doing incredibly well in terms of adoption, ODL adoption, all that kind of stuff. But just think about the parabolic moves that some of these assets do when they do break their all-time high. I don't need to tell you guys that. Just look at some of these all-time highs being broken, right? This goes from all the way from $1.05 to around $3. But look at this massive chart that it did. Here's the 2017-2018 bull run, right? $1.09. Once we broke $1.09, we've seen $3 plus fairly fast. So prepare for what's about to happen. Brace yourselves because these are going to be some major moves, and they're going to move very fast within the next month. I'm telling you guys, pay attention. Now, we also see here Daniel Vogel, co-founder Bitso Exchange today. Bitso was moving 8% of the U.S. to Mexico, $40 billion corridor at their peak last year using XRP ODL solution. Now, also, I just want to say, the actual life-changing transformative use case of crypto tech outweighs speculation. Gary Gensler harmed many sending money home. Okay, now when we're talking about this, listen, I've always discussed this SEC lawsuit, and I've always discussed how huge XRP actually is at scale. I don't think a lot of people realize how much money will actually flow over the XRP ODL solution. Okay? That ODL bridge is such a massive use case. Getting rid of nostril vostro accounts, transforming into a massive digitization of the financial world, that is huge in the even short-term and long-term aspects. Prepare for what's about to happen because this is the main focus point. Moving percentages of countries' finances to other countries. Being a massive corridor solution is the end game goal for XRP. It's going to be a global solution. I should tell you guys that as well. Okay? So be prepared for what is about to happen very, very soon. But things are moving at a rapid pace within the digitization and crypto world. I don't need to tell you guys that. Like I said, so much adoption is happening in terms of Bitcoin. It is only a matter of time before we see more and more, adoption happening. In fact, there's a ton of countries, companies, and many, many individuals talking about Bitcoin, crypto. It's crazy to say the least, but crypto is moving at such a rapid pace. I've never even seen this happening in the past, right? Even going back to 2017, 2018, there's a lot of bullish news here and there. But what we're seeing now is even bigger than anything we have seen in the past. So expect some major moves across the board for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, pretty much every asset in the space as well as we do march forward on in the major point of the bull run. So prepare yourselves, guys. Brace yourselves. All-time highs are coming. XRP is going to moon. It is going to moon extremely hard as well. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe to notification on if you guys want more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or beautiful night. Wherever you guys are, and just be with Nick. Peace out, guys.